Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. And in this video, I address a question that some people have asked. So there's been a lot of comments. Well, I won't say a lot. There's been a few comments from a couple of particular people talking about POTA awards and you know what they are. Really, folks, there's nothing to them. There's PDFs that are generated automatically. They really mean nothing in the grand scheme of the world, but to some people, they mean a lot. But these couple of individuals have taken it upon themselves to be very vocal about, in a negative way, about POTA awards. I'm impartial. I couldn't care less one way or another. POTA awards are not going to change my life. They're not going to give me a higher stature in the world. They're not going to break down barriers for me. They mean really nothing other than, you know, some nice thing to show on your POTA profile. Anyway, these people have taken upon themselves to make a few comments. Anyway, but it's funny, I coined a phrase called POTA Math. What is POTA Math? Well, POTA Math is this. One contact times, let's say you contact one of the guys that do like 5 or 6, 7 parks at once, right? There's a few individuals in this world that do that. I'm aware of one in the US and one in Germany, just off the top of my head. They'll constantly be at 5, 6, or 7 parks at one location. So one POTA contact, so one QSO on the air times the number of parks equals 7 contacts.
Huh?
What?
Excuse me?
So I call that POTA math, right? 1 times 7 equals 7. That's standard math, right? But only in the POTA world is this possible. Maybe some other programs have, well, I don't know how you can be in 2 lakes at once unless you're in a small little narrow piece of land between 2 lakes at 100 meters apart for lakes and lagoons. Or within a couple ranges of a couple bunkers for bunkers on the air. I know worldwide flora and fauna does not allow 2-fers, 3-fers, or cajillionaires. But POTA math, that's what POTA math is. 1 contact on the radio, so 1 QSO equals 7 contacts. If you're at a park with 7, if you contact somebody that's at 7 parks. Or the most standard one is 2 or 3. So 1 contact on the air equals 3 QSOs. Only in the POTA world, folks, does that happen. Nowhere else. I'm not a big multi-park person. I'll do them. But when I'm at a park, I just say I'm at 1 park. I don't tell people I'm at a 2-fer, 3-fer, cajillionaire. This is not my thing. I go out to play portable ham radio to make contacts. That's really my person. But you know, you do you, I'll do me. That's the way this channel works. But I just wanted to share my view on POTA math. Should really trademark that, shouldn't I? Anyway, just a bit of some humor today. Some humor. I know a couple guys out there are really bent out of shape about it. But that's their own weight to carry around. Like I said, I couldn't care less. If you're at 7 parks and you want to say you're at 7 parks, who am I to judge? Really. I just wanted to make that comment about the POTA math. See you guys in another video. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. Thanks for all the subscribers out there. Thanks for all you that watch my ramblings. I really appreciate it. See you guys next video.